Okay, good evening, teacher and classmate. My name is Nidia Carolina Ortiz Iregui. I'm from Villavicencio. I'm an assistant engineer and I graduate student in English. And this is my explanation of the article of quality and quantitative research. Um, the name article my is IFL students' awareness and attitudes on environmental issues and IT's educational solution. This is an educational solution, and you can appreciate in the summary where we can find that you you can you can that research projects and where to try understand the attitudes and some high school student who first such a questionnaire. This is important. I should after see the introduction of the article. Uh, we connect what attitude and knowledge do a student have for managing the medium ambient, and what tool or strategies to the input this population. uh, where where administered and decided because they are representatives of the park community. Attitude, the futures. In the mixture, the method for this case is more qualitative, where I will talk a little about this quality research. Um, to develop this article is what necessary about now lead altitude, uh, expectation, and the future to about the student of the subject. And this paragraph, you you see it, the result where you can see the impact. The author can tell about the impact that the questionnaire generates or the student were good result and appreciated. Um, and remember that a good results must be organized, thinking about a good motivation for the student, where all the articles had to with the context for teaching and learning, always taking into into account the use technology and communication is very important for for students implementation in the classroom. And finally, we we can we can that all projects try to find in the conclusion or the main idea, the main objectives on the introduction about our motivation science. This could be done be done on their own behalf by the students, and this help to minimize the destruction of the uh, ambient medium of the future. Thank you for attention. No is more at the moment. I heard your comments.